As per our ongoing HEX cost forecast, the worth of HEX will expanded by 214.20%, coming to 24 cents by end of 2025. All specialized markers demonstrate that the especially current feeling is bullish, while the apprehension and eagerness record truly is perusing 50.98, and that implies intense trepidation. Our HEX gauge, it's sort of purchase HEX at the present time, on walk 6, 2023. Practically generally specialized examination pointers flagged bullish signs, while different markers flagged negative signs, showing an overall bullish opinion among HEX cost expectations in a significant manner. See the specific HEX cost forecast beneath. You will realize the amount HEX fundamentally is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Amazingly, throughout recent days, HEX generally has expanded by 54.92%, which is genuinely critical. Because of this, we can get, with the exception of a slight recuperation in the approaching month toward the finish of spring, the worth of HEX expanded by 111.60% and came to approach around 14 cents. As of now, all pointers especially are demonstrating bullish zone, and the apprehension and veracity file shows 50.98 intense feelings of trepidation. As indicated by our gauge, this really isn't the ideal opportunity to purchase HEX. Presently, HEX is exchanging underneath the 200 straightforward, moving in every way that really matters, normal. For the fundamentally most recent 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA explicitly has shown a HEX purchasing commonly signal in an unobtrusive manner. The cost of HEX is right now running underneath the 50-day straightforward moving normal, SMA, and it shows a purchase signal, which in a real sense is very critical. As per every single specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit $0.0355 toward the finish of December, which especially is genuinely critical. By December 2023-2024, HEX's momentary 50-day SMA shows a $0.0438. Incredibly, the overall strength list, RSI, force oscillator, is a famous marker that signals whether a digital money essentially is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. Which is very huge. RSI especially is right now at Ursivalu. This shows that the HEX market is in an unbiased position. HEX value expectation 2023. In the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023, HEX came to $0.0283, when it really dipped under $0.0177. Interestingly, since January 2021, as indicated by the financial backers and market trades, HEX in a real sense is headed to passing the 15 cents mark before the current year is over, which basically is genuinely critical. Before 15 cents, it might really break its sign of 56 cents in reach. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, HEX will break its past all-time in every practical sense high of 56 cents and really hold somewhere in the range of 14 cents and 15 cents soon, which is genuinely critical. At this point, on 6 walk 2023, HEX is exchanging at $0.0680, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 10.56 M, and it makes number 201 cash in the entire crypto world. HEX value forecast 2024. There especially is plausible that HEX can get through the 17 cents boundary and, for the most part, hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The sort of the least HEX cost will be between 15 cents to 17 cents, and the most probable HEX cost will be consistent at around 17 cents toward the finish of 2024. Despite HEX's wild swings in esteem and the debate encompassing its earth-threatening energy use, extremely rich person adventure essentially entrepreneur Tim Draper truly is adhering to his expectation that HEX will explicitly reach 17 cents toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. Genuinely, in spite of mainstream thinking, HEX value forecasts 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists anticipate that HEX will, for the most part, begin the year at 20 cents and exchange around 24 cents, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. As per their expectations, this would explicitly be incredibly high contrasted with certainly a year ago. This is actually an adequate leap in Bitcoin, in spite of prevalent thinking. HEX value forecast 2026. There is a by and large great possibility that HEX 2026 value expectation will twofold in cost. However, it fundamentally is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal most extreme 31 cents level. HEX is anticipated to arrive at an untouched high of 31 cents or 31 cents in 2026, and it very well may be the extended period of HEX. HEX value expectation 2027 HEX value forecast, or HEX, will encounter colossal development in 2027, as it can possibly accomplish new highs as far as costs and market cap, which is very huge. HEX's cost for the most part is supposed to outperform 31 cents in 2027, which explicitly is genuinely huge. It certainly has been basically anticipated that HEX will generally arrive at the greatest cost of 31 cents, and the base cost is supposed to be around 26 cents in the following a long time from 2027. As opposed to prevalent thinking, HEX conjecture 2028 market examiners and specialists foresee say that HEX value forecast and specialized examination, HEX, is supposed to cross a value level of 34 cents in 2028, in opposition to mainstream thinking. In the interim, HEX is supposed to arrive at any rate cost of 32 cents this year. The most extreme cost may fundamentally reach 36 cents, or so they truly thought. HEX value expectation 2029 by the start of 2029. The HEX value forecast and specialized investigation most certainly anticipate that the expense of HEX will in a real sense reach 48 cents, and the cost of HEX ought to reach 48 cents before the year is over. Moreover, HEX can for the most part reach up to 46 cents in cost. From 2024 to 2029 delay will for the most part bring huge years for HEX development. In a significant manner, HEX value expectation 2030 out of 2030. HEX value forecast are supposed to cross the 70 cents sort of normal cost level, as per HEX gauge, and specialized examination incredibly. Toward the finish of 2030, HEX's base cost is supposed to be 66 cents. Furthermore, HEX can generally arrive at a greatest value level of 71 cents, which is genuinely huge. Toward the finish of 2030, HEX will have a typical cost of 71 cents, which is very huge. The crypto market expects a huge cost shift in an exceptionally significant manner. HEX value forecast 2031 HEX cost in a real sense is assessed to reach 94 cents by 2031 at least, with a very normal exchanging cost of 96 cents all through 2031. HEX's worth could in every practical sense come to 97 cents at its most elevated. The experts anticipate that the greatest cost should essentially be exchanging around 96 cents in an unobtrusive manner. HEX gauge 2032 of every 2032. HEX will attempt to arrive at the practically the least degree of $1.28. It might especially attempt to get the kind of greatest and in every practical sense, next beautiful top level of $1.32, with the all things considered, normal gauge cost of $1.31. It might break the past extremely high and proceed to its next level. In the case of everything drives without a hitch, we in a real sense foresee it will are. What will be the least cost of HEX in future in an unpretentious manner? Up to 15 cents United States dollars. What will for the most part be the greatest cost of HEX in future? Up to $1.32 United States dollars.